Hey knowledge lovers! Today we are printing our way to the top with a review of the best 3D printing courses on Coursera. Every single one is completely online, meaning you can learn from your garage in any country. And they all offer their respective certification to prove you aren't just playing with toys, but building the future. And as always, the links to access the courses will be in the video description. Let's dive in. 1. 3D Printing and Additive Manufacturing from the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. First up, we have the heavyweight champion, the 3D Printing and Additive Manufacturing specialization from the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. This program is incredible because it goes far beyond just how to print. It treats 3D printing as a revolution in the global economy. You will explore the entire ecosystem, learning how this technology is disrupting traditional supply chains and enabling mass customization. It features partnerships with industry leaders like Ultimaker and Autodesk, so you're getting a perfect blend of academic theory and real-world hardware and software knowledge. The curriculum is hands-on and rigorous. You will learn to use leading CAD software to design your own digital models, understand the different types of materials, from plastics to metals, and master the specific hardware settings that make or break a print. It culminates in a capstone project where you take an idea, design it, and actually bring it into the physical world. If you want a holistic view that prepares you to start a 3D printing business or lead a digital manufacturing team, this is the course for you. 2. Rapid Prototyping Using 3D Printing from Arizona State University. Next, we have a laser-focused specialization for the engineers and product designers out there. Rapid Prototyping Using 3D Printing from Arizona State University. While the Illinois course looks at the big economic picture, this course is all about the process of invention. It integrates 3D printing directly into the engineering design process, teaching you how to use rapid prototyping to fail fast, learn faster, and bring better products to market. This program dives deep into the strategic side of making. You will learn how to select the right 3D printing technology for the specific type of prototype you need, because a visual model for a client requires a totally different machine than a functional part for testing. It covers the limitations and capabilities of various printers, ensuring you don't waste time or money using the wrong tool for the job. By the end, you will have a professional-grade understanding of how to accelerate product development using additive technology. The good news is that these courses can be taken without having to pay for each one, simply by acquiring the Coursera Plus subscription that offers more than 7,000 courses by only paying a monthly or annual fee. The link with the best price will be in the video description. Until next time, knowledge lovers.